Welcome to Winning Products.
And today we're going to use a new product called sweat cat bed, warm bed, basket, and cozy kitten, a longer cushion cat house. Thanks, very soft, small dog mat bag for washable cave cats beds. It currently has 4.8 star reviews on AliExpress with 2,885 reviews and 9,319 orders. The listing on AliExpress is called Snowball Store. It's a top brand, has been on AliExpress since November 18, 2020. You can contact them to negotiate on minimum order quantity and possibly negotiate on the price. The selling price, that is the cost price on AliExpress, is 7.33 USD. It comes with different color variation, as you can see, and different sizes. It ships to the United States. Shipping cost is 5.42 USD. From China to the United States via Kano standard for special goods. Estimated deliveries on April 26. This is a high passive value product that covers a cat niche, that is pet niche, for those that are passionate about their pets. It's also a winning product because it's sold online. It has a wow factor, and it solves a problem. It gives solution to pets that is whenever they want to rest or sleep, take a nap. They find such in this particular product. And let's check if AliExpress has other shipping option. We decided to go for this tracking shipping methods, which is April 26th, because it is closer compared to May 09, which is tracked. So which is compared to May 09, which is also tracked. This shipping date is suitable for this product, because at the time I recording this video, this is April. So April 26th is the customers can really wait for such products if it is stated on your Shopify, Woocommerce, or WeStore. The marketing strategy for that products, I suggest you use US and UK Instagram cat influencers. You use US and UK TikTok cat influencers. You use US and UK YouTube cat influencers. You use YouTube search ads, use YouTube video ads. As for the proposed trading results for sweat cat bed, warm pets, basket cozy kitten, and longer cushion, the cost price on AliExpress is 7.3 USD. The total shipping cost which is paid is 5.42 USD, and you have a post cost profit margin of 27.24 USD if you decide to sell at the rate of 39.99 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.